Hi everybody, welcome to Viral Technovations. Today, we're going to go over incredible modern, big wood machines. These machines take all the hassle out of doing large-scale woodwork, while saving you from breaking your back. Make sure to watch until the very end, because these are truly satisfying pieces of machinery. Dorntech Kegel Spalter. This piece of heavy machinery takes the fun out of stacking firewood. It has a cone on the end that spins, which makes it easy to dig its point right into a tree trunk. As it spins and presses in, the piece of wood splits extremely easily. Watch as this thing basically does the work for you, since it's not fully automated. Meber SLH1200 debarking machine. You'll use this machine if you want to skin a log of its bark. Watch this thing rotate the log while it gets a haircut until it gets a complete shave. After it's completed the job, it has a mechanism to lift or push it out of the rotating teeth onto something like a forklift. Then off it goes for the next process. Westec Woodcracker C250. Have a desire to take down trees with ease? This heavy machinery is capable of grabbing trees, slicing right through them, and ripping them right off, which eliminates the need for a person to climb up and manually chop it down. The Woodcracker treats trees like toothpicks and wastes no time in completing a job with less risk for injuries. Toro STX stump grinder. What happens after you cut down a tree? You can only cut or chop a tree down so much. That's why you need something that will grind down a stump into sawdust with minimal effort. This specific stump grinder virtually takes the work and turns it into something like spreading butter onto a piece of bread. Grind away with ease. Woodmizer LT70 Super Hydraulic Portable Sawmill. If you need to cut logs with a portable solution, then you should check out the Woodmizer LT70. This machine can be used to create precise cuts on logs, up to 36 inches in diameter and over 20 feet long. This portable sawmill can automatically rotate and level out your log for awesome straight cuts. Watch as it slices through logs, like a heated knife through a stick of butter. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of today's and tomorrow's technologies and much more. Check out this next video of the future of strawberry farming and harvesting with hydroponics, and I'll see you again soon. Stay curious.